Ko pōwhiritia te kaunihira hou o Tauranga ki Whareroa marae.
Mai he, hana mai tōro tīma, hana mai nā kiringa tātou.
He wā hoki tēnei ki te tuku kōrero ki te kaunihira mō ngā take me ngā wawata o ngai te rangi.
Our marae's been here for 150 years and it's going to continue being here for another 150 years. But unfortunately, our kaumātua won't be here, so we're looking at relocating at this stage, and also our koanga reo. Just get away from all this pollution.
Our kaumātua are tired of being sick. They're also tired of burying their peers from respiratory problems. If that means that they need to put kaumātua flats or a kaumātua village in another area, then kei rātou tērā.
We want to be relocated to a better land that we got by our urupa. That's Omanu, overlooking the airport.
Neke atu I te koutou te puari o Whareroa marae, ko kōrero tia ki ngā kaunihira o Tauranga, e pāna ki ngā paitini e whakararu ana te haura o te haukāinga, he oi kua taka I ngā taringa kohatu.
The kaumātua here fought this battle to get rid of those industries. Well, a lot of them not here anymore, so we've got more coming in, and health issues are starting to affect them now. They're breathing stuff in on a daily basis. So all kaumātuas will be moving from here to Omanu, that's up Matapi, overlooking the airport. This whare will come later. We're taking that up there and we're going to probably build a new papakāinga.
It sucks, to put it simply. It really sucks. You know, our people, the people here of Whareroa in particular, have been incredibly marginalised for successive generations. The Whareroa estate now has a golf course on it, now has the airport on it, now has all of this industrial infrastructure and business built on them. And it's now the people that have been left here, that their hapu, their iwi, deal with these effects. So it absolutely sucks.
I ngā tau e rua kua hipa ko ngā kōrero I waenga I te puari o Whareroa marae me te komiti o mua o te kaunihira o Tauranga I noho ai a Antoli mā I te whakarite mahere kia whakahoki te whenua I Omanu kia ngai te rangi. I tēnei rā I whakawhitiwhitia e nei kōrero ki te kaunihira hou me te tūmanako ka aere tonu ngā kōrero me ngā whakarite.
The air pollution, it's not an easy one, but you know, as my understanding is no one's actually really gone out, and I think as council we can facilitate some of those conversations. There's some land put aside for a move if that is ultimately what they want to do. Again, let's sit around the table, figure out what they want and how we could possibly enable that. The main thing is let's just do it. I think that's something that I am frustrated in, seeing years and years of plans being put in place without any delivery.
Ko te puaha o Tauranga, he wāhi mō ngā puna pēnihi me te hinu, wāhi noho ngā pauakarino, me ngā kaipuke me o rātou rawa, me ngā mira me o rātou pū matu. Kai te wero hia te iwi I te kaunihira, he aha te anga whakamua, hei whakamutu ai e nei wāhi e pēhi nei I a rātou.
Now that's a 30-year plan. My baby here, ka whainui, is 2 years old. We don't want her to be 32 years old for an action plan to be starting to be put in place.
I was really pushing the council on their spatial plan. It's a 30-year spatial plan. We can't wait 30 years for an action plan to be put in place, particularly for the transition around us. The best interests of the health of us and everybody in Mount Maunganui, but also the best interests of these industries, are to give them clear indication now that their time is up.
The hope is that by the end of our 4-year term, that there have been tangible measures, tangible outcomes that have been achieved and realised for not only for the people of Whareroa, but also for Tauranga Moana. So you're right, unfortunately time will tell, but hopefully not too long.
Hei a pōpō ka kōrero te puari o Whareroa marae, ki balance agri-nutrients, rāua ko Port of Tauranga, e pāne ki te hunuku o ngā whānau ki Omanu, he roni waikato, Aukaha.